So I'm working to build Zero Vector 5, my latest cognition framework, which builds on the previous version, Zero Vector 4. I've attached a development plan which was used to build it. Building on this foundation, we will repurpose the Nation of Experts framework to simulate a single persona. Instead of a conductor and department heads, we aim to collapse the system, refocus down to a single brain using Mixture of Lobes, MOL based cognitive framework. Okay, now before I go into the prompt here, because it's a really long prompt, let's just explain it visually first, because it's so easy to understand when you look at it like this. I'm just going to give you a second to just look at it, because it's like Microsoft Paint. But, you know, there you have a brain. So can you see what I'm trying to do? We already are doing this, by the way. And then you have our Zero Vector 5 system in the cerebellum down at the bottom doing memory. So how does that work? Well, it's going to go through these different, and you know, all these different areas are going to work together. Okay. So, but what I can show you is I can show you the frontal, temporal, occipital working together. And what we do is we use something called aspects. Aspects are internal processes that contend the different areas of the brain. So I've referred to my first concept for this as the inner thoughts. So you have inner thoughts, then they're influenced by what you think, what you remember, and then what you say is the result of that. So it's always like there's like a go-between agent that sits in the middle, and he decides if the first thought he had was even worth saying or not.